Before watching this video, please look at this previous video, Advanced the best method of tracking changes, method 3, episode 1. So this is episode 2, and we will continue the discussion about tracking changes in a document. So we have this document in the previous episode, and today we want to make some comments and we want to accept or reject changes. We can show from here the changes, and you can see when we hover over this change, we can see who made it and when it did this change. So we want to change a setting in order to see more, and let's go to Tools, Options, and from here we check LibreOffice and General, and be sure to have this option checked, Extended Tips. Apply and OK. So if we will have a comment about this change, we will see more text here. So let's insert some comment about this change here. So why I change from title to the book title. Let's make a short comment here. This long title is better. Let's comment this introduction of short introduction, and I comment here, I consider this description to be very useful here. Okay, and so on. Why I remove this text and so on. So let's comment. You can insert a comment from here also. Let's comment here. I remove it because I consider not to be relevant, and so on. So we can comment from here, from down, and be sure to have this checked. Okay, so now we can see we have two lines: who inserted or deleted, when, and the comment of the person who made this change. And it's very useful because we know what the person thought when made that change. So we check that option to see the comment. We made some comments. Now we want to you can see you can go from here and also from here, and you can navigate with using arrows. Okay, now you can see here the same thing. So let's go in accepting or rejecting changes. But first we want to filter that changes. Let's see how we filter those changes. We have a menu named Manage. So let's manage that changes. We can also from here, we have this filter here. We have all the changes here with comments or without comments, and we can filter by date or by author or by action and so on. So let's filter by author. So let's take Stuart comments. You can see we have only Stuart comments. Let's see what Stuart changed in this document. Let's see just deletion of Stuart. You can see he made just 2 deletion in this document, but we cannot accept or reject them because we are not allowed to do this. So in order to do this, we have to remove the password we set in the previous video. So when all the document is ready for review, we enter the password, and now we have full rights to accept or reject changes. Let's filter now for Stewart changes. Let's see them and let's accept or reject them. So first change was this part of the sentence was removed. Accept that. Here was this is a sentence and he changed this is another sentence. I don't agree, so I will reject this. I reject this, and I reject this, and I reject this. So I will keep how it was. Let's filter now by John Doe. I have remaining only 2 changes by John Doe. We can accept them as you see from here with this manager, and we can accept them or reject them from here with right click. As you can see now, we can read who made this and accept or reject. Before was title and now it's the book title, and I can accept, and I have this introduction, and also I read why was inserted, and I can accept from here, for example, undo, or with right click accept, or if we undo, we can go to edit, track changes, and we can accept from here. So you can accept from where you want. Okay, so now we have the final version of the document. We review it, we change, we accepted some changes, we rejected some changes, I close it, and now if I'm opening, I have just the final version. If I click here to view changes, I have no changes because everything was accepted or rejected, and I don't have any changes here. I don't have in the manager here anything because it doesn't contain any changes. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more video, but first please look at the previous video about what we did today. Thank you.